Have you ever wondered what the secret to successful seed starting is? Well, it's a fascinating journey, one that's key to every thriving garden. From selecting the right seeds to the critical first few days of a seedling's life, each step is crucial. Along the way, common challenges may emerge, like inconsistent watering or poor soil conditions. But don't worry, with the right knowledge and a dash of patience, you can overcome these hurdles. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to successful seed starting. The first step to successful seed starting is having the right materials. Quality seeds are paramount, as is suitable soil and apt containers. You can source these from local garden centers or online. With these materials in hand, you're ready for the next step. Now that you have your materials, it's time to plant your seeds. Planting depth and spacing are key, so check your seed packets for specifics. As a rule of thumb, plant seeds twice as deep as their size and space them out according to their growth size. Watering is crucial too, but remember, overwatering can be as harmful as underwatering. Light exposure is equally important. Aim for a balance of direct sunlight and shade. Properly planted seeds are the foundation of successful seed starting. After planting your seeds, the next step is to care for your seedlings. It's crucial to water them when the top inch of soil feels dry, not before. Seedlings thrive with abundant light, preferably 16 hours a day. Transplant them when they develop their second set of true leaves. Beware of common problems like overwatering and lack of light. Counter these by adjusting your care routine accordingly. With proper care, your seedlings will grow into healthy, strong plants. Successful seed starting isn't a secret, but a process that requires the right materials, proper planting, and careful care. We've walked you through each step today. Now, it's your turn to nurture life from a seed. Remember, the secret to successful seed starting lies in your hands. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.